What I am demonstrating now is the 22G bag popcorn plus desiccant combined packaging machine produced by our factory. It is fully automated, no manual work is required, and it is easy to operate. It can be used for materials of different shapes such as granules, powders, and strips. The weight range is adjustable, and it is suitable for heat-sealed materials such as filter paper, non-woven fabrics, composite films, and aluminized films. There are various shapes of sealing methods to choose from, whether it is tea, hardware, electronics, grains, or granules, powders, and strips such as feed and flour. They can all be quantified, weighed, divided, and packaged. Now it is sold directly by the manufacturer at a preferential price. If you are interested, please leave a message.